it's a red flag. Anytime any ESO forum user or Reddit user or Facebook group user or whoever, typically a toxic casual, by the way, brings up community, they're not talking about the community. They don't care about you. They don't care about new players. They don't care about this sense of community. If they cared about it, why aren't they including everybody? Why are these same players telling PvPers to get the fuck out of ESO? Why are these same players saying raiders are not part of the ESO fam, as they say on Twitter? That's not community. They only bring this up for their convenience, and it's just really bothersome to me, because it's such a snake shit to do. You know what I mean? Anytime they're failing, they always fall back on this notion of